it's me Patricia Gonzalez and welcome to Twist Kitchen. And for today's video, I will be your Chef Pat. Now, I will introduce you the everybody's favorite, the chicken curry, and turn it into a dish that's even more delicious. Chicken curry stewed in a coconut milk and curry spices, and it is heartedly and tasty dish that the whole family will love. The sauce is rich, creamy, and flavorful. It goes well with warm white rice. It is even more easy to make because it's just cooked in one pan. Are you ready? Let's start it. The ingredients for the chicken curry are 1 kilo of chicken, 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 small potatoes, 1 large carrots, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, long chili, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, ginger, 1 red bell pepper, salt and pepper to taste, garlic, and onion. Let's start by pan frying. Put oil in the pan, and if it once ready, put the carrots and the potatoes. Pan fry each side of the ingredients for 1.5 to 2 minutes, and after that, flip it over and fry the other side until the outer layer turns light brown. Once brown, remove it from the pan and put it in a strainer or a paper towel to remove the excess oil. At the same pan, sauté the aromatics. These are the ginger, onions, and garlic. You will know that it is ready when the kitchen starts to smell good. Then after that, add the chicken. The cut depends on how you prefer it to be. If you want a bigger size, it will be fine. But if you wanted it to be smaller like this, it also can be, so that the serving could be many as possible. At this point, we may add the curry powder and the fish sauce, and a little bit of ground pepper. Mix well and make sure that the ingredients are all well blended. Cover the cooking pot and let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes in a medium-low heat. The heat is dropped inside when the pot is covered, so this will simmer fast. Stir it every once in a while. After 15 minutes, the chicken is cooked and tenderized. We can now put the coconut milk. Mix well. Then put the brown potatoes and the carrots. Use a low heat to prevent the coconut from curdling. After 5 minutes, add the red bell pepper. and also add the long chili. Then cover the cooking pot and continue simmering for 5 more minutes or until the sauce becomes thick. After 5 minutes, our chicken curry is ready. Transfer to a serving plate then serve. Here are delicious chicken curry.